Good morning, everyone. So welcome back to our online class again. And how are you doing today, everyone? Very good. And teacher believes that you are fine. Good. So everyone, what day is it today? Very good. So today is Thursday. Okay, July 9, 2020. All right. So everyone, welcome back to our online class. Everyone, did you prepare the materials of learning with you now? Very good. And did you review the lesson last night? Alright, so everyone, teacher believe that you are ready now to learn with me in this video, okay? So everyone, on Thursday, so which subject that you will study in the first session, everyone? Very good. So in the first session, you will study about grammar planet 3. Good. So everyone, teacher believe that you also have the textbook in your hand right now, okay? So today, teacher would like all of you to focus about the exercise practice, okay? So before we go deeply to the main part of the lesson for today, teacher would like to review all of you what you have learned so far in Grammar Planet 3. Good. So anyone can tell me what did you learn in the previous video? Anyone can volunteer, okay? Yes, very good. So in the previous video, you have learned about the superlative adjective, okay, superlatives. So do you still remember the definition and also the form, how to change the adjective to the superlative adjective, everyone? Good. So teacher would like to provide all of you about the some detailed information about the superlative adjectives, okay? So superlative adjective, okay, refer to or express about the highest degree, okay, the highest degree of the quality of something, you see. So it compare, or we can say compare to all the things, okay. So it different from comparative adjective, okay. So comparative adjective, it compare the two things together. Okay, if we have only one thing, we cannot compare. But in superlative adjective, it compare, but it also express about the highest degree, okay, about something. You see, good. Like the cat, it is the smallest animal. Okay, there are 4 people. So which one you want? Whether Jane, Susan, Bella, or Minchi. So which one, everyone? Good. So the tallest one is Susan. So Susan is the tallest. Very good. So Susan is the tallest one. So how about number 4? Who is the shortest? It is the opposite question, right? So who is the shortest? So which one, everyone? Whether Jane, Bella, and Minchi. So which one? Yes, very good. So the shortest one is Minchi. Good. So you can write Minchi is the shortest, okay. So Minchi is the shortest. Good. So now let's move on to number 5. Okay, so what is the heaviest animal? So what is the heaviest animal, everyone? You can see this is about scale, right? About scale. So what is the heaviest animal? You see this one, the first one rabbit, and the second one mouse, and the third one dog. So which one, everyone? So which one is the heaviest animal? Yes, very good. So the heaviest animal is, yes, of course, dog, right? Dog. So dog is the heaviest animal Animal. Okay. So dog is the heaviest animal. You see? Good. So now let's move on to the last one, number 6. Who is the youngest? Who is the youngest? Okay. So who? Everyone? You can see the first one. And here, the second one, Pill, and the third one, Len. So which one, everyone? Very good. So the youngest one is, yes, of course, Angel. So you can write Angel is the youngest. Very good. So Angel is the youngest. Good. So now this is about the end for the exercise practice in the textbook, everyone. So after that, move on to the next. Teacher would like all of you to focus about my left hand side. You will see about the extra practice, or we can say extra exercise. Okay. So this is about the exercise outside the textbook, everyone. So you can focus on the whiteboard altogether. So move on to the instruction. So fill in the blanks below to complete the sentences. Fill in the blanks below to complete the sentences. Okay. So anyone, we have the adjective in the bracket. You see, we have the word tall, the word big, the word large, the word lazy, the word bad. Okay. Bad, and the word interesting. Okay. Interesting. So you have to write the correct form of a superlative adjective based on what you have learned so far. Okay. And teacher believe that you still remember the formula of superlative adjective. Okay. How to make the sentence. Good. So now don't waste our time. So move on to number 1. So number 1, we have the word tall person in my family. So based on the form, so we have subject I, and after that we have yes. Very good. So I use it to be am. Very good. So I am. After that, yes. Very good. So we have to change the adjective to the superlative adjective. Very good. So I am the. Very good. I am the. Yes, I am the tallest person. Very good. So I am the tallest person in my family. So we have subject, we have to be, we have a superlative adjective. Okay. Good. And the rest of the sentence is the object. Okay. Good. So now let's move on to number 2. Jupiter. Okay. Jupiter, and we have the word big planet in our solar system. Okay. So you have to change to the superlative sentence. So Jupiter. Okay. So can you tell me the answer? Yes. Very good. So Jupiter is, because Jupiter is only one, so we use it to be is. So Jupiter is the. Very good. So the one. Yes. Very good. The biggest. Yes. So it changed to Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Right? Good. So we change big to the biggest. Good. So now let's move on to number 3. Elephants, large land animals on Earth. So we have to change to the superlative sentence. So the answer is elephants. So is or are, anyone? Is or are? Yes, of course. Are, because of elephants not only one animal. Okay. So elephants are the largest. Very good. Okay. So elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. See? Good. So now let's move on to number 4. So number 4, my cat, we have the word lazy. Animal, I know. So you have to change to superlative sentence. So the answer is my cat is or my cat are? Yes, my cat is. Very good. So my cat is the what? Lazy. So how many syllables everyone? Yes, 2 syllables, and it also ends in letter Y. So we change Y to I and then we add EST. Very good. So laziest. Very good. This one, right? So my cat is the laziest animal I know. You see, this is the correct answer. Good. So now let's move on to number 5. Last week we had the word bad time of my life. So we change. Last week I what? I had. Yeah, we have verb already. So I had the what? The worst. Very good. So this is about the irregular. So how do you spell worst? W-O-R-S-T. Very good. So last week I had the worst time of my life. Okay. So bad we change to worst. Very good. So now let's move on to the last one. Number 6. My friends interesting. Okay. People I know. So we have to change interesting to superlative adjective. So my friends is or are anyone? Very good. Are, because friends not only one. So we choose to be are. My friends are the most, very good, interesting yes, very good. So my friends are the most interesting people I know. You see? So in the word interesting, so we have how many syllables? Yeah, 3 syllables. So we add the word most before the adjective and it's become superlative adjective. Okay? Very good, student. So teacher believe that you can catch up well about the exercise practice. So everyone, this is about the end for the first session. Do you have any question, everyone? Good. And if you don't have any question, so this is about the end for the first section. And see you the second session altogether. Goodbye.